Hi, welcome back to Dominican Chefgro. Today I'll bring you easy recipe. So my recipes are all of them are easy to do it. But this one is a recipe is not to get like full after you eat. It's just to have some nice dinner, like soft dinner, you and your couple. I will show you.
Well, I will start make my sauce. I will add around 70 or 80 grams of butter. You can add the amount you want, depends how greasy you want your sauce. After the butter be melted, you can add your onions. I'm using red onions because I will use red wine. If you will use white onion, you can use white wine. Let the onion cook around 5 minutes to get the taste of the onion mixed with the butter. And here on this part, after onion be cooking for 5 minutes, I will add my fish stock like I made my own. I will show you part of the video here. You can also prepare your own fish stock. Doesn't matter how you want to prepare it. Just add a lot of vegetables and salt and season. And here, after add the fish stock, just let it reduce. Meanwhile, the fish stock is reducing. I will add some onion, carrot, garlic, and peas. And after I add all of it in a bowl, I will season it and I will add a little bit olive oil. And after that, just mix a little bit to include the salt, olive oil, and the pepper with all vegetables. Getting back to the sauce, after fish stock reduced a little bit, now we add the wine, salt, and pepper, and then let the wine reduce a little bit, the same as you did with the fish stock. Here with the fish, you can use whatever kind of fish you want. I will add a little bit pepper and salt. Like this fish, I take it off the skin, I took it off all bones, so that my fish is clean already. After you add salt and pepper to the fish, I will get a little small leaf of celery and small leaf of lavender. It's not mandatory just use celery or lavender. You can use bay leaf, you can use cilantro, you can use thyme. All these kind of aromatic leaf you can get, you can use it on this recipe. Don't worry. And after you finish roll your fish, you're gonna get something like this. Look. After wine reduced a little bit, you can add the cream milk. And to be honest, to reduce fish stock and the wine, you don't have time. You just have to be careful. Keep watching your food, you know. And when you get the consistency you want, and then you can keep adding ingredients. And here I have a small piece of baking paper. I will add all my vegetables and I will use this just to cover them only with that. You will cover everything you will put inside just with this baking paper. But I'm using two pieces of baking paper. And then you can start add all the vegetables you have and add the fish. And after you finish to add everything, add a generous amount of olive oil and then you can start to seal it. Now you just have to add another piece of baking paper and roll up all the edges. And before you have completely sealed, add a little bit wine, just a little bit. After that, you can add your fish in oven. I have my oven here already in 160 Celsius. You have to keep the fish here between 13 and 15 minutes because we want soft and juicy fish. I will never eat a dry fish anywhere. Our sauce is ready, has the consistency I want, not so heavy, not so soft. And now we can filter. And after you filter, keep it somewhere. Meanwhile, the fish will get ready. After 13 or 15 minutes, our fish is ready. On this part here, you can open your package. We can say package. You can use knife or scissor even, and just look what is inside. Look, this fish is not. Look, it's not dry. It's nice cook. Seems to be soft, and later I will show you it's soft. Here to prepare our dishes, I will add like all vegetables both together with the fish in a whole plate, and I will add just 3 pieces of my fish. Then I will add a little bit of the sauce we made, and look how delicious looks like, and it was really delicious. Now let's try.
Now it's time to try our fish with those vegetables. It smells so nice. I hope you will try this at home because it's so nice. So let's try this now. Amazing. Wow. To be honest, it's the second. I'm sorry. It's the third best fish I ever cooked before. Really. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like, please thumb up. And if you have some questions, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't remember, if you're not already subscribed, activate the bell and see you on the next video. Guys, I'm blasting.